Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which local body issues trade licenses for your location, BBMP in Bangalore or the local municipality. Collect essential documents now: Aadhaar, PAN or GST registration, tenancy or ownership proof, and a simple site plan. Once done, complete the online application or visit the counter, attach scanned documents, and pay the prescribed fee. Keep the payment receipt or ARN. This immediate action triggers verification and moves you into the inspection queue, so don't delay. After submission, the municipal team verifies documents and schedules inspections, health, fire, and structural checks depending on your business category. You should be ready to answer questions and provide additional NOCs, like fire clearance or environmental consent. If asked, upload documents immediately so the process is not delayed. Make sure to track your ARN on the portal and follow up with the helpline if the inspection isn't booked. Staying responsive speeds approval and avoids unnecessary rejections. Once inspection and verification clear, the municipality issues an approval order. You must pay the final fee and download the trade license PDF, print and display it at your premises. If inspectors note minor noncompliances, rectify them within the given deadline and submit proof. Otherwise, penalties or suspension may follow. If your application is rejected, review the remarks, correct the deficiencies, and resubmit promptly or file an appeal. Key troubleshooting: always keep stamped receipts and ARN to expedite any dispute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.